How to add a messages widget to iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. On the widget screen, you can use the search bar for convenience. In the search bar at the top, type Contacts to find the widget. Choose your preferred widget style and tap on Add Widget to place it on your home screen. By default, the widget will show a suggested contact. To change this, tap on the widget. Now, tap on the current contact's name. You will then be taken to your full contact list. Scroll through the list and select the new contact you wish to display on your widget. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now tap the widget to view this contact information and select the message icon to start a conversation quickly. Following these steps, you can easily add a message widget to your iPhone's home screen.